Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a trip and want smooth, customized travel itinerary, Gemini 2.0 is a powerful tool to help you out with that. Today I will show you how you can use Gemini 2.0 to plan the perfect travel itinerary, and from selecting destinations to creating day-by-day plans. Let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open up your Gemini. Okay, and ask yourself, what's your destination? What activities do you enjoy? Are you looking for adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both? And what's your budget? Let's say you're planning a 5-day trip to Paris and you're interested in culture, sightseeing, and food. Next, provide Gemini with your travel criteria, right? You could say, for example, create 5-day travel itinerary, right, for Paris that focuses on sightseeing, art, food, and cultural experiences. Okay, and Gemini will process the information and create the detailed itinerary based on your preferences. Here's an example of what Gemini might generate for your Paris trip. Day 1, morning, arrive at Paris, check in at your hotel, relax a scene river cruise to get an overview of the city. In the evening, dinner at the classic Parisian bistro, and try some French escargot and duck confit, right? In day 2, in day 3, and you're gonna be able to see the schedule basically, right? And afterwards, customize the itinerary, right? If you'd like, you can ask Gemini to make changes based on your preferences. For example, can you add a visit to a famous Parisian bakery like Pierre Hermé? Right? Gemini could then adjust the itinerary to include a visit to the bakery on day 3, or suggest additional activities like cooking classes or wine tasting tours, right? And after finalizing the itinerary, you can ask Gemini to provide practical details like transport options between locations or operating hours for attractions, estimated costs for each activity, hotel recommendations based on the budget and location. And once your itinerary is ready, you can use it to book flights, hotels, and activities. And you can type right here transport options if you want me to type it for you, operating hours, estimated costs for budget, hotel recommendation. Okay, and basically hit enter. They will check the Google Maps, right? And that's how you use Gemini 2.0 to plan your next trip with ease. Whether it's short city break or longer vacation, Gemini can help you create personalized itineraries tailored to your preferences. So go ahead and try it out for your next trip. Let me know in the comments how Gemini 2.0 has helped you with your travel planning. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips. See you in the next one.